Hi everyone, my name is Viswanath Kaja, and today I'll be showing you how to make an unscramble game using Python. Okay, let me just share my screen and we'll see the objective. So it says that the objective is to create an unscramble game. We'll give the user 2 tries, and if they can't find it, we will give them the answer. We'll give the user 2 words in total. So first, let's just print unscramble game and then the how many tries they have. So unscramble game. Okay, now let's use a for loop to solve this. So for I in range of 2, so we're gonna get the range of the number of tries they have, and we're going to take the input, like what their answer is. And for the word in like general, we can just use like any word that we want. So I'll just use statue for now. So we're saying A is equal to input. Try to unscramble the word like and just this one for statue. So then we'll say then we use an if statement. So since we don't know exactly what the user is going to say, if they get it right, they could say statue in all caps but still get it right, and then the computer will just think it's wrong though. So we don't want that. We want it to show all the ways that are right. So if A is equal to statue in lowercase, or A is equal to statue uppercase, or A is equal to statue, like mostly lowercase, but this doesn't. Right. So if that, so if one of those things were true, then we'll print congratulations, you have successfully unscrambled the word. Okay, so if they gotten it right on the first try, we have to give them 2 tries, but if they gotten it right on the first try, then that means they don't need it, and they don't need the second try. So we'll just break the loop if they gotten it right and go on to the next part. So we'll get to the other part, what happens then later, but for now, let's just think about what happens if they get it wrong. So LF, so this is the event that someone has gotten it wrong on the second try and they don't have any more, like they don't have any more tries. So we'll just copy and paste that, but change it to not equal using the exclamation mark. We'll also put this in parentheses because we have another thing that we want to ask the computer. So and I is equal to 1. And then we'll print that is not the correct. It is actually statue. Okay, now we'll go to else part in the event that someone has gotten it wrong on the first try, but they still have another chance to get it right. So print, sorry, but that is incorrect. You have 1 more try. Okay. So since it's an unscramble game, we have to give more than just one word. So let's just comment this out, like to partition, like say which part is which, and we'll use a different word this time, but basically the same program. So we'll just use the word table as the second word. It can essentially be anything that you want. You don't have to use it as table. I'll just use this one. So or table just lowercase. Let's change this one. Yeah. Okay, so once we have finished this this part, we can just run the program and see if it works. So okay. All right, so now we have an anagram, and now let's just see if it works. Unscramble game, you have 2 tries to unscramble the word. Try and unscramble it. Okay, so let's see if it works. If we get it right. Okay, it does. Table, right. Okay, now let's see if it works if we get it wrong. Yeah, one more try. Good. Okay. Yeah, so we've seen that that the program works. So today we just found out how to use a for loop and the break statement in an unscramble game. So thanks for watching this video. I'll come back next time very soon, and I'll show you another Python program. Bye. Thank you.